nga malem, La Union, naimbag nga malem, Honor Philippines.
The first day sale of the most anticipated smartphone, the Honor X70, the smartphone that brings all angle water resistance to every Filipino lifestyle.
Magandang umaga, Olonga po! We also launched Honor X7. It's actually one of the strongest, most reliable, and ready for anything na phone. Not just shockproof, but also water resistant. It's available nationwide. Dakala salamat Olonga po, and mabuhay Honor Philippines.
The all-new Honor X70 redefines what it means to be a practical yet feature-rich smartphone, really perfect for budget-conscious users who want the power of AI interaction right in their hands.
Experience the new intelligent world with Honor. Thank you so much, guys, for celebrating with us.
Naimbag nga aldaw La Union. Gusto ko mag-selfie naman tayo dito sa aking Honor X70. Okay lang ba yan?
Honor.